This pressure washer attachment keeps showing up in ads, so I checked it out for you. We're going over what it is, what people say, and if it's worth trying. JetFlow, also called JetFlux, is a garden hose attachment that promises to turn your regular garden hose into a powerful pressure washer. It comes with multiple nozzles and claims to deliver strong spray for cleaning cars, driveways, patios, and siding. The ads show dramatic before and after results and market it as an easy, affordable alternative to real pressure washers. In reality, it's a high-pressure hose nozzle that depends on your home's water pressure. Quick background check. The main site, jetflux.co, has been around for about 9 months. Grid & Soft gives it a decent 64/100 trust score, and Scam Advisor rates it 81/100 as very likely safe. There are currently 0 reviews on Trustpilot. Support is email-based, and they offer a return policy. User experiences are still limited and mixed. Some buyers say it gives a noticeably stronger spray than a normal hose nozzle and works okay for light cleaning. Others report it doesn't deliver the power shown in the ads, feels cheaply made, and doesn't clean as effectively as expected. Pros: easy to attach to any garden hose, multiple nozzles, decent trust signals for a newer gadget site. Cons: premium price for a hose attachment, results vary depending on your water pressure, limited real user feedback. One important consideration: this is not a true electric or gas pressure washer. It cannot create the high PSI those machines produce. It works best for light to medium cleaning. For tough jobs like heavy dirt or mold, a real pressure washer will perform much better. Overall, JetFlow appears to be a legitimate garden hose pressure attachment with reasonable trust signals. It may be worth considering if you want something simple and affordable for occasional light cleaning, especially with the very likely safe rating. However, expectations should stay realistic. It's still just an upgraded nozzle. For serious cleaning, compare it with proven pressure washers. This video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making a decision. If this helped, drop your thoughts below. See you next time. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more quick and easy reviews like this.